All right, so here we are barbecuing, ladies and gentlemen. Guess who's in the video? My boy Tom. We are barbecuing, and I don't know who else does this, but I rode shotgun with my grill, and we are gonna set up, and we're gonna make some smoked beef ribs, some smoked pork ribs, some smoked butt, and enjoy the day. I didn't hit record. So here, I just now hit record though. All right, let's start over, Tom, because you know
This one's done now.
it's done, but that's okay. Look, show us the rub real quick. What does that look like? All right, it's just a salt shaker Tom made. It's a special made Tom's butt rub, if you will. He likes his butt rub. And so Tom's gonna put this in the smoker for about 8 hours. At what temp, you think?
It's 250.
About 250 for about 8 hours. And what's roughly in it, Tom? Brown sugar, cayenne pepper, paprika.
Salt, pepper, dry mustard, all kinds of stuff.
Okay, yeah. So it's all kinds of stuff. Again, I said this earlier, but I forgot to hit record. So what I meant to say is that it always comes out really well, or really good, and people love it. So you'll see the pay dirt later. All right, so I got in a little later. Had to go home and get my stuff, prep my stuff, bring my grill, make sure that's ready. It's still a little smoky for me. See, like Tom's right now is already nice and clean. He's got a clean smoke going. You can't even see the smoke coming out. But then look at mine. It started to catch on fire because I opened it up just now. So it'll calm down in a second. But I'm about to throw in my ribs, my beef ribs, and all it is salt and pepper. Let me show you what it looks like. So there's 2 racks of ribs in there, and they're beef ribs. I'm gonna throw them in, and they'll be ready in about 5-6 hours. Peace. All right, so here we are. We're checking it in. That's what it looks like right now. Looking good. Looking good. How many hours have we been in now?
What time is it? 2?
3 hours? 3 hours? All right, that's 3 hours in. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about 4 hours in. We have some good ribs kicking in right now. One, I put fat side up. This is the one that's fat side up. I'm sorry. This is fat side up. And this, huh?
That one's fat side down.
Yeah, you're right. Anyways, that's what it looks like right now. I'm about to douse it and probably start wrapping them, depending on what they feel like. So I forgot to get a pic or a video of what it looked like at the end, right? So Corey just cut it, and Corey, go ahead and give it a little bit of a squeeze right there with the knife, like.
Oh yeah, right there. I've seen that. I've seen that on Instagram once.
Right?
I've seen that on Instagram once.
Yeah, so have I.
Larry did it here at the house. What'd you do?
We actually had a piece. Can you have a piece?
Well, I tried, but this one ate it.
So, all right.
This one. Ask Savannah.
Can I ask her? Kavanna. Taste of Tuesdays. What'd you think of the rib? Was it okay?
Corson likes it.
Hey, be honest.
Yeah, be honest. That's okay. If it's like, yeah, is it good or bad?
No, she ate all of it. She took it back and took it all. I didn't get anything.
All right, so I went ahead, dipped mine. I'm gonna be honest with you here, really quickly. I'm not a big pork rib guy. I don't like pork that much. However, I'll be honest with you, Tom makes good pork. Kreideman makes good pork. Aside from that, I'm not a big fan. However, I saw him do it. Let's go. Hey Tom, your barbecue sauce is on point.
What? Sauce? Good?
Yeah.
With the glaze.
The glaze?
All right, so here's the thing.
Last
gonna start
times-
calling instead of Taste This Tuesday, or it's gonna be Tom's Tuesday because he's in all these.
Yeah,
on
that's
Tuesday.
fine. So here's the thing. With these, a lot of times the pork rib for me, they taste gamey. This is not. Actually, you can taste the smoke. It has a good smoke in it. It's very clean. I would give it a 8.5.
8.5. What'd you give it, Corey?
8.7.
I'm not a
Oh.
pork guy though.
Oh.
That is my scale, Malia. You in?
Malia, you want to be honest?
Hey Malia, get Malia in on this. Did you dunk it
And what?
in that red sauce?
I can't now.
Yeah, cause you can't just go biting off it and then glaze it.
I don't need it. It's weird.
All right, so this is based on straight pork rib.
There's some sauce on there.
Okay. It's not the same.
It's not. I'm just making you watch
Yeah.
me eat the whole thing.
It's
I'm
one
saying
bite. Nobody knows the rules. Not
Yeah, not
18
50 bites.
Okay.
Not one rib and
wanna-
nobody knows the rules.
I want to fill the rib in. No.
Hey, how much for one rib?
That's really good. It's not so done that it just falls on the bone because I don't like that
Which
kind.
is fantastic.
Yeah. Flavor's good. I'd give it a 8.2.
8.2.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to get the lowest rating this week. That's really
Okay.
why I did it.
All right.
I want to be
fair
the Corey
enough.
of the week.
No rules.
Yeah, no rules.
Oh, there we go.
All right, so we found the vinegar sauce.
There it is.
I had it, and it does make it a lot better.
Here we go. Here we go.
Just
Come on.
dump it on.
Oh, I think Corey's rating's gonna go up because mine does. And I'll go before Corey because I'm not trying to just underdog everybody. I am kind of. But I said what I say last time, a 5.4.
Yeah.
Actually, that brings it up into the mid sixes, so I go with a 6.5.
Okay.
Honestly, I'm gonna go 7-2.
It was way better.
7-2
With the sauce, good sauce.
Much better.
So I don't know if I'm rating the sauce or the pork, to be honest.
7-2.
Guys, listen. Here I am as a baby. Hey, why do I have rosy cheeks? That's so weird. Hang on.
Let's get in here.
Oh, what happened? We lose it?
Okay, there, now keep going.
Hey, it's me. This baby got some fuzz and a raspy voice.